Welcome, today I am with Citroen C3 2020 and I will show you how you can adjust equalizer sound settings. So at first we have to take a look on the start screen in front of us and we have to tap on the home icon. Next we have to go for the settings and go for the audio. When you are here we have to go for distribution and ambience. So at first we can make it with the distribution. We can set the sound for the left or the right speakers, and the same for the rear or the front. We can make these changes by tapping on the arrows. And let me just turn off the sound. And when you go here, we can find this equalizer type of the sound. So we got personalized, we got classic, jazz, blue, pop rock, techno, and vocal. You can make change by tapping like that. You can also go for the bass and trebles and medium sound, and also we can make change by tapping on the plus and the minus so you can easily adjust the sound on your Citroen C3 manually. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.